एसआईओ करीमनगर की जानिब से 8 नवंबर तक 5 दिसंबर एक मुहिम का आगाज किया जा रहा है। इस जिम्न में प्रेस क्लब करीमनगर में एसआईओ करीमनगर सिटी सदर अदनान ने मीडिया से बात करते हुए करीमनगर के आवाम से अपील की कि वो इंसानियत की बहाली के जरिए तश्कील दी जाने वाली इस मुहिम में हिस्सा लें।
Mahmoudin HRD Secretary SIO Karimnagar, feeling delighted to announce that SIO Karimnagar City is organizing a 4-week long campaign in which we will be with the name Revive 21, Reconstructing Society, Re-establishing Humanity. In this we have a very objective to promote the social sensitivity in the masses and to promote individuals and motivate them to contribute towards the society, and the third is to present an alternative discourse against all the evils in the society, in which we will be organizing various activities which includes roundtable meets with the influentials of the society, in which we will be having roundtable meets with the principals of the schools. We will be having the meet with lawyers, doctors meet and other influentials of the society. Next activity which we will be organizing, that we will be reaching with this message in various campuses and schools and address the youth to promote and motivate them to contribute towards the society with their profession, with their skills and in the monetary terms. And this campaign will come to an end with an exhibition in which we will be presenting what we believe to be the alternative discourse, which through model making, seminars and presentations. At last, I would appeal with all the citizens of Karimnagar and others to promote and support us throughout the campaign with a noble cause. Thank you.
नाज़रीन, हमारे टीटीवी न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए, शेयर करिए और लाइक करना ना भूलें। और किसी एडवर्टाइजमेंट से मुताल्लिक़ जानकारी के लिए हमारे इस नंबर पर कांटेक्ट कीजिए। हमारा नंबर है 9550102020।